Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to access Google Chrome settings, and I will take you through some of these settings and what does it actually do. So first, you need to go to the three dots on the top right of your Google Chrome, and you need to scroll all the way down till you find the settings button on the bottom. Now the settings will open, and you will find on the left hand side all the settings sections as seen from here. So first, you have the You and Google section. If you open it, now you can actually sign in to Google right here, and you can customize some Google settings like the Google services, your profile, and also you can manage all the devices that you are logged in through Google. On the next section, we have the autofill and passwords. So from this section, you can actually manage all your passwords on all the websites that you visit. You can save the passwords, you can use it, and you can actually change the passwords right here. Also, you can add credit cards to autofill, IPANs, loyalty cards, and other settings right here. To the next section, we have the privacy and security. So from this section, you can actually see your history, cookies and cache, and you can actually delete it. You can use these settings to block some pop-ups and ads and change how it interacts with your browser. For the next option right here, which is performance, you can actually use the memory saver option or power saver as seen from here to speed up your browser, or if you want a more optimized experience, you can actually do that from this section. For the appearance tab, you can actually change the theme right here, or you can manipulate some settings about the tabs. You can disable the bookmarks bar as see, and another settings like the font. Also, for the next section, we have the search engine. You can change it to any other search engine like Microsoft Bing or Yahoo by clicking on the change button. After that, you can choose any search engine you prefer. After you choose the search engine, click on Set as Default, and when you open a new tab, you can use the other search engine as seen from here. Also, using this tab, you can actually make Chrome your default browser. So on the startup section, by clicking on Open a specific page or set of pages, you can let some pages start while starting the Chrome browser at the same time. And you can see all your downloads on the next section. If you have some accessibility issue, you will have more options right here to change. And for the last section we have is the extension. You can actually see all the extensions you have right here, or you can go to Chrome Web Store to download and install new extensions to help you in your browser experience. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.